What I'd like to look at today is how to use Yamdu as a distribution tool for existing call sheets. So the first thing we need to do here is go to call sheets and create a call sheet. Now, from this point, we could create a call sheet from scratch if we wanted to, but in this case, we're going to use an external call sheet that already exists in the place of one we're going to create in Yamdu. So we just need to follow a couple of things here, and then we will see how this can be done. So we have the option here to link with a shooting day. In this case, we're not going to. We're just going to pick today's date and click Next. Now we have to assign a title and a unit, so I just assign this to the first unit and click Next again. And now, just like when we created a template in Yamdu, we have a range of options here for what we want to do, but what I want to do is upload a file. So I click on File Upload and click Create. So now you can see that we have skipped to the end of the call sheet making process, where we have a mailing list. We can choose to send the message to single recipients or groups of people or groups of production teams. So first of all, we can attach the call sheet right here. And this is my pre-existing call sheet, so I choose that. And now it's uploaded. So this is what I will be sending to everyone using this mailing list. So in this case, I need to choose recipients, and like always in Yamdu, I can pick from groups of people, specially created teams, people in different departments, and anyone, anywhere that I feel needs to see this. So in this case, I think I'll just use one person, and I'll say Natalie Farmer, just as a test to show you how this works. So once I choose Natalie, the date and time zones are good, everything's great. So all I need to do now is save everything. And now I can mark this call sheet as final and make it available to all of the recipients. And when I do this, I mark it as final, I now have the option to send the call sheet via email. And this will be sent using my own email address. It won't be a no reply at Yamdu. So I click here, yes. And now I can see that the call sheet has been sent to one receiver. So when I click on more, I can see that it has been sent to Natalie. And when she opens it and sees it, I will see that she has seen it. So it's a very useful way of keeping track of who has seen the information you have sent on. So that was how to use an existing call sheet in Yamdu, using Yamdu as a distribution tool. I hope it was useful.